The A-iPower 1500-watt portable quiet inverter generator is a notable entry in the realm of portable power solutions, particularly appealing for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and anyone needing a reliable power source without the noise and bulk typical of traditional generators. Weighing in at just under 50 pounds, its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to transport, yet it doesn't sacrifice performance for portability. One of the standout features of the A-iPower generator is its quiet operation. With a noise level rated at only 58 dBA, it operates quietly enough for use in residential areas or during camping trips where peace and solitude are desired. Compared to conventional generators that can often exceed 70 dBA, this model ensures that your outdoor activities remain undisturbed, allowing for an enjoyable experience without the intrusive hum of a loud engine. Powering up devices is straightforward with the A-iPower inverter generator. It boasts a 1500-watt starting capacity and a 1200-watt running capacity, which makes it suitable for a variety of applications. You can easily power small appliances, tools, and electronics, making it perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or even as a backup power source during outages. It features two 120V AC outlets, one 12V DC outlet, and two USB ports, providing plenty of versatility for charging phones, laptops, and operating small appliances like coffee makers or mini fridges. Fuel efficiency is another area where the A-iPower generator shines. It runs on gasoline and has a fuel tank capacity of 1 gallons. This allows it to operate for up to 7 hours at a 50% load, ensuring that you have power throughout your outdoor adventures or during unexpected outages without the need for constant refueling. The generator's eco mode function is particularly noteworthy. This feature adjusts the engine speed according to the load, effectively maximizing fuel efficiency and extending runtime while minimizing noise. The build quality of the A-iPower 1500-watt generator is commendable. The generator is designed with a robust steel frame that adds durability while remaining lightweight. The inclusion of an easy-to-read LED display provides users with important operational data, such as fuel level and output wattage, ensuring that you're always informed about your generator's performance. Additionally, the generator is equipped with overload protection, which automatically shuts off the unit when the load is too high. This not only helps protect your devices but also ensures the longevity of the generator itself. From a user-friendliness perspective, the A-iPower generator scores high marks. Starting the unit is as simple as using the recoil start mechanism, and the controls are intuitive, making it accessible for even those who may not be very mechanically inclined. The portability aspect is further enhanced by the inclusion of a built-in handle, allowing users to easily carry the generator from one location to another. However, it's worth noting that the A-iPower 1500-watt generator is not without its limitations. While it offers ample power for small appliances and devices, it may struggle with larger power demands, so it's important to be mindful of wattage requirements when planning your usage. For instance, running a larger refrigerator or power tools may exceed its capacity, necessitating careful planning and usage. One potential area for improvement is the lack of a 30-amp outlet, which is a feature found in some competing models. This might limit its appeal for users looking to power RVs or larger appliances directly. Nevertheless, for typical recreational use and smaller household applications, it more than meets the mark. In summary, the A-iPower 1500-watt portable quiet inverter generator offers an excellent balance of power, portability, and quiet operation, making it a strong contender in the inverter generator market. Its lightweight design, fuel efficiency, and ease of use make it particularly attractive for campers, tailgaters, and those in need of a reliable backup power source. While it may have some limitations regarding power capacity and outlet options, its overall performance and user-friendly features make it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a dependable generator.